Welcome to San Salvador, the capital city of El Salvador. I arrived here in the capital city late last night from Waihua, and I left there when there was a massive food festival going on, and a little bit of me is wondering why I left so early, because it was quite impressive. You can see all the stalls here, and the amount of food that was on display was amazing. Now, to get here, I took 2 chicken buses, local buses, via San Salvador to the capital, and I am now in one of the major parks on a Sunday afternoon with loads of families, and it's just a really nice atmosphere. But for many years, El Salvador was listed as one of the most dangerous countries in the world, and San Salvador one of the most dangerous cities in the world, due to gang warfare, to murders, homicides, and then it all changed. 2019, this guy up here became president, and he became president on the firm belief that he would get rid of the gangs of El Salvador and San Salvador. So how did the President Nayib Bukele do this? Simple. He arrested all gang members. He arrested anyone that looked like a gang member and put them in prison. These are the arrest figures for the last few months, and they're not small. And to the media, he has sent pictures of these gang members in jail and how they are being treated right now. The population of El Salvador are behind the president 100% on this one. However, there are a lot of international groups who say that it is not fair, that there are innocent people being arrested just because they've got tattoos, who have not had anything to do with the gang warfare. But as you can see around me, there are people that wouldn't have been out maybe 5-6 years ago enjoying a Sunday afternoon. Is it working? I feel safe. One thing that the president has realised is that tourism will be important for this country, and he's trying to get the tourists to come into El Salvador. Should come. But I'm about to leave the park to head into the city centre to see what it's like down there. So this is the centre of San Salvador. You've got the first president to introduce coffee into El Salvador. You've got behind us the National Palace, which is a museum of which I'll be going to in the next couple of days. And behind me here is a big massive construction with the Chinese putting a lot of money into it, and basically it's the new National Library, and it's going to look something like this. All around me, around the centre, there is just a lot of construction happening, and it feels like they're doing a lot of updating the place, making it modern, more touristy, which is a good thing. So behind me is the cathedral for the city, and just about to go in because I've been told that outside it's not that impressive, but inside it's not too bad. Sunday afternoon in the square, and people are dancing. So that's me on the way back to the hostel, and I'm hoping I've given you a small glimpse of San Salvador and the people around us. I'm going to be here in the capital for a week while I rest and recuperate, and tomorrow, even though I should be resting, I will be out on a walking tour finding out the history of San Salvador. So until then, if you like this video, press the like button. If you want to subscribe, press the subscribe button, and once you've subscribed and you want to know when the next video will be out, press that bell in the corner. But until next time, bye bye.